Guys, welcome back to Cooking with Precious. It's your favorite cook, Precious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe I'm about to share with you. Guys, today's recipe is under the Precious recipe section. Not really my recipes, my mom's recipe. I learned it from her. So the ingredients you'll be needing is just rice, groundnut, that's raw groundnut, the one that hasn't been fried or anything, lime, lemon, and water. Simple ingredients for a very delicious meal. So now you're going to fry your groundnut in on hot oil, on a hot pan. No oil, no nothing. Just take your groundnut and put it on a pan. Then when you finish, it will be like this. Then you're going to remove the back. That's what's shielding the white part of the groundnut. That's the, should I say red? Does it look red? I don't know. Brown. Yeah, it looks like brown. So you remove the brown back. And this is basically the process my mom used. By the way, it's my mom that is making the recipe. I'm filming her, but she allowed to let me claim it as mine, so it's my recipe. This is a very good recipe for weight gain. I would recommend this. That's why I am the size I am today, because this is what my mom used to give me. It's called rice kunu or kunu gaida. It's a Hausa recipe. So now we're going to put the granite in a blender and we're going to blend it till it's smooth. Not like you're blending it to peanut butter consistency. No, when I'll basically show you how the consistency should look, but you just blend it, guys. I enjoyed this recipe. When I was small, it was my go-to every time, and then it made me big, and then I just decided to leave it, because if you notice, granite has a lot of carbs. I'm sorry, a lot of fat, and rice is carbs, so that combination you can gain weight. So if you're looking to gain weight, I would recommend this recipe for you guys. So now it should look like this, but my mom said it wasn't enough. She still wanted to blend it a bit more, so she just basically used a fork and scattered and put it down, and she started blending again. Then when she was done doing that, she got a bowl, as you would see soon. She got a bowl, yeah, and she just poured it into the bowl, and then she added some water. But can you see the consistency? It's not like peanut butter. You're not making peanut butter or anything. You're just blending it to look like this. Remember, you don't add any water to the blender. You just put the granite like that. Make sure you get a strong blender. I'll advise the stainless one like I used, not your glass blender. Please don't break it, except if it can. Well, if you can't, don't use that one. Then you just add some water. Make sure you wash your hands, because this is the messy part. You have to use your hand to do it well. So she said she was just I should have made her do a voiceover, but yeah. Anyways, I'm the one doing it, so she just kept mixing it with her hand to scatter it. If you notice from the blender, it was a bit together, so she was just basically scattering it, and then she got a sieve, and this way she would sieve out the chaff and get the granite milk. That's what she needs, this thing in the pot. I would call it granite milk. I don't know what it's called, but yes, you just keep sieving. It's a long process. I think she did it like 3 times, because as you can see on the sieve, that's still a good content that should be in your pot. So don't throw it away at just one sieve. You do it like 3 times till it's just chaff. Chaff will be just the back, and it beats more of the white part. So yeah, she added more water again, did the whole process of rubbing it, scattering it in her hand. I really like this. I love it. If you add milk and sugar to this recipe, guys, you would enjoy it. Now you guys might think I'm just talking too much, but you actually need to try this thing. You need to try it to understand what I'm saying. You can take this with akara, you can take it with moi moi. Like, guys, I could never eat from this, because I'm currently like on a diet, so I couldn't really take. But I just took like a few spoons, and I was like, "Ooh." I wanted more, but I had to discipline myself. This stuff is so delicious, but the weight gain you gain from drinking this thing for like 1 week straight will just be scary, very scary. So yes, you can see it's this is the chaff that she's gotten. But I think she still added more water because my mom doesn't like to waste things. So as you can see, we added more water and yeah, then we sieved it again. So guys, as you can see, this is what I was calling chaff. Like once you get to this stage, you don't need to sieve again. Don't mind my mom, she's still trying to squeeze more. Anywho, this is the chaff I was talking about. It should look like this. So this part you can throw it away. Now you get your rice. We used basmati rice so that we could make it a bit healthy. But you could use your local rice, any rice. Just make sure you wash your rice clean. Make sure there's no sand, no ant, no dirty. Even if your own is, it's from a good place, still wash it. And then we add the rice into the milk. Before it started boiling, we just added the rice. Make sure you wash your rice, clean rice. Now you're just going to mix it. If you notice as you're mixing it, the rice will still be scattered, but there is no problem. Just keep mixing, and then you allow it to boil for a few minutes. So now you're going to get your lime and just get on your slab and get busy. Just keep rubbing it around. This process is not. I'm not doing magic. I'm just basically trying to get the juice out of the lime. If you notice, lime and lemon, the ones in Nigeria are not that juicy. So in order to get the juice very well, when you squeeze it, it's good to do this on your slab. So this is just one of my tips, my kitchen hacks for you that could be very helpful. So now we're going to get back to the pot. As you can see, once it starts boiling, you see the bubbles at the top. Good. Now you would check if the rice is cooked, which is very important. You need to check if your rice is cooked because the milk can be boiling and it's not actually cooked. So make sure you check your rice is cooked. Then you add your lime. I'm going to tell you the reason why you add lime and lemon. But yeah, you add your lime first, then your lemon. Now, the reason why we're adding lime and lemon is to get the rice together. You know, earlier I said the rice will be scattered as you're mixing it. It's no problem. But when you add your lemon and lime, it will make them to join together. That's what my mom said. So add your lime and lemon. It's not for flavoring. It's for part of the process. So make sure you add your rice and lemon and then you give it a very good mix. By this time, guys, the whole kitchen was just bubbling. When I mean bubbling, it was like actually smelling so good. This stuff was just everywhere. It was everywhere. So now you're just going to cover your pot and then when you get back to it, check if the rice is ready. And if it's ready, you know. As you can see, this is ready. Perfect. And it is actually ready to cook. I don't have a picture of how it looked in the plate, and I didn't want to get a picture from Google, so it wouldn't be like I'm stealing someone else's work. So I just decided that I'll just end it here. So I'm really sorry, guys. I forgot to take a picture. I was just like, "Ooh, let me taste," and then I forgot about it. But yeah, make sure you check out. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share the video, and don't forget to comment down below if you if you tried out the recipe. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Bye guys.